welcome to Sunday. Sylvia Shares here. I hope you are well and having a fabulous day. Would you like to manifest anything in your life? Like literally anything? This morning as I just entered in a new place, I told my children, like, if you want us to manifest sunshine, if you tell God that you are so happy, that you are so grateful, if you don't complain about the rain, the bad weather, like, what you're seeing on arrival, that is how God is going to give us something amazing. And look, we manifested sunshine. We manifested a new place. We were able to have a fabulous afternoon. So my advice literally is that when you really and truly want to manifest something amazing in your life, if you want to get to a new place or discover love in your life, discover, just if you want to manifest money or like adventure in your life, what I would advise you to do is just to be grateful. Live in the moment. If you can forget maybe your past pains, if you can forget the present pains and everything, and if you tell yourself that I am happy to be here today, I am happy for what I have now, Lord, but I wouldn't mind having more. And he knows the secret desires of our hearts. So he knows the secret petitions of our hearts. So even if before you ask, sometimes he already knows it. But don't jinx your manifestation by doubting even for a moment. Like, keep telling yourself that things are going to happen the best way for you. And every single time that you believe that you tell yourself it's definitely going to happen, this is how you are going to manifest, like literally anything. If the situation is feeling a little bit sad, you're having difficulty, tell yourself that is just the moment when you are about to discover something. Whatever you are working hard on and it's not manifesting yet, it's just right around the corner. If it's love, he or she is just waiting for you. But the person will not come to you if, for example, you are sad, you are frustrated, you are feeling like, why isn't it coming? Why is it not working? The more you declare negativity, the more you declare that something is not working, that it's difficult, that it's frustrating, or anything of the sort, that's how you are just keeping the negativity for yourself. So if you want to make sure that you are manifesting all the best that is in life, because I just want everybody to be able to live, love, and learn, because we have been given this world. And I keep telling everyone that we are living in the promised land. We are in the land of honey flowing with honey and milk. And so we are actually the ones who made it. The Israelites didn't make it because why? They complained every single time, Lord, we don't have any food anymore. Or we had a better life even if you want slavery. Maybe we should go back. And yet for 40 years, they were enslaved and suffering and complaining, and everything was just not working out for them. But guess what? When they were gotten out, when everything was almost working, despite God having showed them huge miracles, opening the sea, in splitting it and enabling them to cross, they still ended up complaining. And even after he dropped manna from heaven, they were still not seeing. So please do not miss out on the signs. Don't miss out on all the signs that you are being sent little by little all around you. Do not be the one just, not being able to take advantage of this sweet and promised land that we are having, and because you are complaining. Every single time you complain about something, it is how you are just distancing yourself from your promises, distancing yourself from all that is good, distancing yourself from all that is joyful, that all the money, be it the love, be it good health, be it just all the sweetness that and you can manifest for yourself in your future. So don't complain. okay? Just try and tell yourself, like, I am going to live in the present, that I am going to manifest all that is good. And every time you complain, think about the Israelites. Why? Because they will remind you on how much they never got to cross the into the promised land, because every single time they kept complaining about everything. And even despite being given everything that they had, having manna dropping from heaven, having, you know, everything, being gotten out of slavery and everything, but they still complained. So every single time things are not working, think about the Israelites. I'm not gonna preach here or anything of the sort, but I just want to let you know that every single time that you are keeping positive, that you are keeping happy, you are, you know, I'm not saying that we should be all happy and smiles like all day and everything, but trust me, I have learned lately that the more you create positivity in your heart, the more you proclaim good things in your life, this is how you just start manifesting beautiful things, beautiful places, beautiful life and partners and friends, attracting amazing people and meeting wonderful people and greatness and everything. So I hope that you got my point. No complaining and gratitude for everything that you have. This is how you are going to manifest literally anything and everything you desire in your heart. So until next time, don't forget to live, love, and learn. Thank you. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Let me know if any points stood out to you. Share in the comments and let me know where you're watching me from. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like some more videos. Bye bye.